What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on this episode we are working on the Volkswagen. I don't know if you guys remember that because I gave it over to Matthew, but he's working on it. It needs an engine and we are going to do an engine rebuild. So over the course of the times that we've been waiting for this, he has actually taken out the motor, scrapped it down, and now I'm going to help him put it back together, and hopefully we're going to get it back into the car very soon and have that beast running. So let's get started now. The salvage motor that we picked up came out of an Audi. Different setup, but same block. Here we are swapping out our dual belt crank pulley to install our single belt crank pulley. When building motors, make sure your workplace is clean. Avoid throwing things all over the place. This can be a disaster waiting to happen. Here we install our brand new Felpro head gasket. Then we slap our head on. We made sure our head was at top dead center as well as our number 1 piston. Now when you're putting these on, you want to make sure that you put some oil in them so they go in easier. Alright guys, so we're going to torque down the head bolts, and you need this special torque socket. Well, it's not even really a torque, it's a weird looking specialty socket thing for the Volkswagens, and this is what you need to torque down your heads with, and I'll leave a link in the description for it. So let's get started. When torquing down the head bolts, first use a hammer to properly seat down your socket. Then, using the proper torque spec as well as the proper torquing order, we begin to tighten down the head. After torquing the head during the first pass, we use a gauge to torque down to an additional 90 degrees, and we're going to repeat that twice. A little bit more. Ready, good. And this was already lined up, right?
Yeah.
Now we start installing our timing belt. Make sure all your timing marks line up. As we struggle to put in our timing chain tensioner, we quickly realize that the idler is a little flimsy. I'm guessing Matt forgot to replace it. Finally, we slap on our valve cover and prepare this motor for our wagon. What's going on, guys? I hope you enjoyed that small footage that we've had. Sorry for the background, we're editing the video right now as we speak, but anyway, you guys are gonna see the final footage of this releasing on Tuesday, hopefully. But I just want to say thank you all who viewed this video. Thank you all who, support the channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I remember when the channel was at 0 and I was trying to get it to 1,000. Now we're gonna hit 3,000. Hopefully before the end of this week we are at that mark. But I just want to say, guys, this is part 2 of the Volkswagen series. We're going to have a lot more parts coming along. Just because we slapped together this motor in a really short clip doesn't mean you're not going to see a lot more. We have to put the motor in. We have to try to get it started. We have to fix little minor stuff such as the AC. He wants that back in the car. We have to fix the interior, and Matt is going to be painting the entire car. We're going to be doing the body work from start to finish. He's probably going to get new wheels and tires, and he's just going to keep that as a daily driver, guys. We started off with a $200 car, and let's see where we can take this. Guys, again, thank you for supporting the channel. Please keep showing love on this platform. Now, everything that was used in this video below, you're going to see every item in the description below. Make sure you click on it, check it out if you're doing your own Volkswagen build. One thing that we learned when doing these head bolts, you need a specialty socket for this Volkswagen. A regular Torx is not going to cut it. You're going to strip it. go get the actual specialty socket needed. And also a quick shout out to all my Chevy Avalanche guys. Thank you all for answering everyone who needs help on the channel. I appreciate all the love that goes into this channel. Scratch out, all of you guys are amazing. Love you all. Please be safe. Wash your hands still, if we're even doing that anymore. But guys, be safe out there. Things are getting a little bit crazy. And I hope to see you all for part 3 of the Volkswagen series. Peace out. Love you all. Bye.